Hello students, welcome to our new lecture of consumer behavior. Today we have got a new topic by the name of the social power of groups. You know better that we are belonging to different groups like family group, friends group, university class fellows group, religious groups, football group, political group, social groups, relations groups. So these groups are having greater impact on the mentality of consumer. That's why we have selected this topic for today's lecture. The name of this topic is the social power of groups. Related to this topic, related to social power of groups, we are having a theory by the name of social identity theory. This theory argues, or this theory says, that each of us is having several selves, many selves. I told you that each of us, like you are students, so you are having different selves, different groups. We, our class fellows, our football team, our family members, our political party, our religious party, our neighborhood friends. So you saw different selves you are having. This one student is having. This theory is also talking about this different selves, that you are connected to different groups from political point of view, from religious point of view, from education point of view, from economic point of view, from job point of view, from mentality point of view, from personality point of view. So this is said by this theory that each of us is having several selves that relate to groups. These several selves are linking you to different groups. These linkages are so important that we are not only thinking about I, but also we. We are not thinking about only myself, but also about ourselves. So when you are thinking about these ourselves in different fields, so obviously they are having a greater effect on your mentality, on your personality, on your consumption pattern, or on your behavior being a consumer. Now these groups are very persuasive. They are persuasive, they are persuading you, they are influencing you to a specific behavior, to a specific attitude, to a specific personality. And these groups are having different powers, which we are calling it the social power of groups. So now we are having some types of powers, which we can say types of groups power. In types of group powers, we have got 5 important powers. Number 1 is referent power. Referent power. Number 2, information power. Number 3, legitimate power. Legitimate power. Number 4, reward power. Number 5, coercive power. Number 1, referent power. What is meant by referent power? Who is referent? Referent is the person who has influenced you very much, or you have been admired by a specific person. So that specific person is called referent. That specific person may be a player, that specific person may be a political person, that specific person may be your teacher, that specific person may be political leader, that may be a religious leader, but you are admired very much by that person. Now when you are admired by a person, you are trying to copy the personality of that person. Or we can say that that person is exerting a power on your personality, which is called referent power. Like, I'm giving you very old example. You will love it, you will like it. There was a movie, Indian movie, Tere Naam. After Tere Naam movie, most of the young generations or students, so their hairs was like Tere Naam movie. So now why they changed their hairstyle? Because of that one actor in Tere Naam movie. So actually this is a power which convinced them, which converted their hairstyle to a new hairstyle. So in referent power, you are copying the personality of a person. That person can be of any group, religious, political, social, actor, actress, player, comedian, philosopher, scientist, but he is exerting a power on your mentality. And you are copying his personality, hairstyle, cloth style, walking style, shoe style. So this power is called referent power, which comes from social power of the groups. Number second is information power. A person or a book or a magazine is carrying a large number of information, and you are listening to him very much, you are giving respect to him or her, you are liking that book, you are loving that magazine or newspaper. Why? Because you are expecting that I can get a large number of information from this person or this book or this product or this television station, for example geography station. So now actually they have influenced you psychologically because of information, and you are convinced, you are influenced, you are admired. So that is called information power. Next is legitimate power. Legitimate power, when the power is given or awarded to a person by an agreement, like police, army, your professor, your teacher. He can make you fail, pass. Police can arrest a person if he conduct a crime, and people are afraid from them. Why? Because they have given this authority by law, by an agreement, that a person, if a person is crossing this border, then you can punish him. If a student is not submitting assignment on time, you can punish him in marks. Legitimate power. Then we have got reward power. You are working very hard to get a reward. Actually, you are motivated by this reward. Actually, we can say that that is a power which push you to perform well, which push you to achieve the goal of the organization. It is called reward power. Next is coercive power. The power of punishment. So here it is a power, people are adopting a specific behavior because they are afraid from this power. That is called coercive power. By force. By force you are compelled to have a specific behavior. It is called coercive power. By threats, by punishment. All others are used by marketers. Sometimes this is also used by marketers, but very rare. They are making an ad, they are making an advertisement, and they are making you afraid that if you are not using this perfume, you are not using this mouthwash, or you are not using this specific soap or this specific face wash, you will be suffering from this disease, or you will be looking ugly. So actually it is also a coercive power that they are exerting on you, and then because of this punishment or because of that ugliness, you are buying a specific product. Thank you very much, students. Be with me for the coming class. Stay at your homes, focus on your study, stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.